Hello! This tutorial will be going over some of the most basic functions of Medline Plus to get you started on your health information search. To the top right, there is a search bar. This function is most helpful when you know the search terms and want a quick answer. As you type in your term to the search bar, it will make suggestions, which you may or may not want to use. When you get to the search results page, a basic definition of the topic you searched will be displayed, along with results refined by type and by format. The remainder of the search results will be ranked below. When we click on Health Topics, you may browse topics by first letter, body location or systems, disorders and conditions, diagnosis and therapy, demographic groups, and health and wellness. When we click on drugs and supplements, you may browse medications by first letter. For official FDA labels and inserts, I suggest the supplemental website DailyMed. Medline Plus also conveniently covers herbs and supplements. When we click on Videos and Tools, and then on Health Videos, you can better understand visually how body systems are affected by diseases, conditions, and common procedures. Medline Plus has so many more features to explore. I encourage you to check them out. You'll be glad you discovered this free resource from the National Library of Medicine.